Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing a very important information of DCET option entry procedure. Yes, you heard it right guys, this is a very important video, or I can say this is a most demanded video. So I was repeatedly getting comments in the comment box, make a video on step-by-step procedure how to do the DCET option entry. So guys, as you all know that DCET have already announced the first round schedule. So from 9/7/2024 DCET option entry will start. So this is a very important step, you guys. You have done your diploma, you have wrote your DCET and you have got good ranking. So with this step your future will decide. So if you do a well option entry, you will get a very good college. If you do anything wrong, you will get a very bad college. So this step will decide your future. So guys, in this video I will be telling each and every detail step by step. If you don't understand what I am telling also, I have explained with the steps. I have wrote the steps also. So by seeing the steps you can follow how to do the option entry. So guys, make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this step-by-step procedure of option entry. And guys, make sure if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, so because in our future videos we'll be telling how to select the choice entry also. So each and everything will be covering in this channel. So let us start our video. And guys, I know that this video might go lengthy, but I will challenge you, your every minute will be worth, because as I said earlier, it is a very important step. So if you do a very good option entry, you can get a very good college, because I have seen many of my friends in our time, they have done some wrong option entry, they have did some bad option entry, so they have got some low colleges with good rank. So I don't want you to repeat this mistake, so that's why I am stressing you to watch the video till the end by step. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So guys, try to share this video as much as possible to your friends also, so that they can get to know how to do the step-by-step option entry. So let us start our video. Steps of option entry. So guys, make sure one more point I want to tell you, don't sit blindly for option entry. Have a plan, like which college you want to select, which college I want to select first, which branch I am planning. So first list should be ready. So ask experts, so for this rank which college you can get, like that. So prepare a list of 10 to 15 colleges based on your location, based on your preferred branch, and then sit for option entry, because they have clearly mentioned that first round what colleges you have entered, that is final. In second round you can't add, just you can modify or you can delete the colleges. So once option entry entered, that is final. So you can't change the colleges, you can't add the colleges, you can modify or you can just delete. So make sure you have a plan before doing the option entry, guys. So this one more point I want to tell you. So I think all doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So first step is entering the CET number and the security code which has mentioned in the display, and click submit. How to log in for the first time. So first, after entering captcha and CET number, you need to log in for the first time, and you need to set your password, because once you complete your option entry, again if you want to do, so just you can enter your password and you can enter your CET number, you can log in. So for first step, it will ask you to set the password and set the secret key question, like that. So enter application number which is printed in on the application form. Enter secret unique key word provided after completion of verification of documents. I hope you all have already got the secret key code while you have completed your document verification. So that's why document verification is very important, to have a secret key code to do the option entry. Enter new passwords. So password should be strong enough. Confirm new password, should be same as your new password. So guys, as I said earlier, I will write each and every steps in the slide so that you can understand, you can follow the steps also. Enter your mobile number. In this number to which SMS alerts which is sent by KEA, so give the valid number so that you will get updates from KEA. So it is very important that you enter a correct number carefully. just as you have done in the application form that you filled in the verification center. Enter your mail ID, select secret hint question from the list, click login button. You will enter your home page on the option entry website. Check your details appearing on this page. You will see your name, CET rank, your rank course wise, whether you are eligible or not. Okay, so everything will be displayed. I think all your doubts are clear now till now. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. So how to log in next time? So you have set your password, you have select your secret key question, everything. So now this will look like this. The first part of the same, where you have entered CET number and the security code. On clicking submitting, it will open the following screen. Enter the application number, secret code, the password which you have set it, and click on login. So this is how the option entry screen will look like this. So step 4 will be click on candidates option entry. So you can click on candidate option entry and you can proceed to next page, or you can have a one more option entry example. So guys, you can check how to do the option entry. So you can follow my video also. I will tell you each and every step how to do the option entry. If you have some doubts, you can go to the option entry example. So I will click on candidates option entry. That is my step 4. So this is the page will look like this. So here we have two options, course, college. So which course you want to select? I know many of you want computer science only, so just you can select computer science, and lot of colleges will come based on computer science, but not computer science. You want good college also. So example, if you can select the college radio button and you can type RV College of Engineering. If you just type RV College of Engineering, you will get a total list how many courses are there in that RV College of Engineering. So you can select like this. I think you all get a clarity. So this candidate is from Mysore, I think so. So that's why he has selected SJCE. So that is the #1 college in Mysore and top 3rd college of Mysore. And guys, we have made a detailed video on top 10 engineering colleges of Karnataka. Link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video. So as you can see, he has selected first CS, and then again E284 CS and E057 CS. So in some colleges there will be aided and unaided seats. So what is the difference between aided and unaided? Aided seat will be like KEF will be 15,000. Unaided seat KEF will be 63,000. So this is the difference, but both the colleges same only, just the fees will be different based on your rank. If your rank is very good, you can get a aided college. So this is how he has entered. So he has entered some 11 colleges. So after first round, if you got any college, you will get like a green option here. So he has got some MIT college, so that's why it is showing green option. So I think you all are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So that's what entering the options I have clearly told here in this, right? So if you follow these steps, you can get a clarity, guys, how I have added the college list by priority. So 6th is modifying order of option. So once you have completed your option entry, but you change your mind, like, oh no, this college I want to put second, and that college I want to put third, like that. Just what you have to do, go to modify selected option window. So that is second box. Change the number or type the new number in the option field for a new priority. Click update button in the option. Just if you just change the number, it will get update. So first, second. So example, RV College is first and BMS Ramaya Institute is second, but you want BMS Ramaya Institute to be first and RV College to second. Just change the number and click on update. It will update. This is how you will modify the order of option. That is what they are telling. So second, next step is delete option. You don't want that college only in your list, so just you should go to that modify selected option, that is second box, and you need to click on 0 and update. That college list only will get delete. So make sure, guys, I am telling again and again, have a list in your mind, like have a list before sitting to the option entry, so that you won't get an option to again add the colleges. That's why it's very important. Based on cutoff, decide your colleges. Okay. 8th is print option return. So everything you have completed and you have successfully added your college. Now you can print your option report, one and all you have added. So you can go to the selected option view, that is third box. So this box, so third box, you can go and you can cross verify the courses and colleges. And next, if you want detailed list, you can click on detail. If you want short list, you can click on short, and you can take the report. So this is how you will do the option entry. I think all your doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, guys. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and try to share this video to your friends so that they will also get to know how to do the option entry. So this is all about our today's video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned. Thank you.